what? I have to tell you the truth, this is my first ever show. This is the first time I've ever been to anything like this, and I'm like blown away by it. It's been really, really cool, and I will definitely be trying to find as many shows around the world that I can go to from now on.
Why do you think shows like this are important?
Because we are social creatures and we need to spend time in each other's presence, and it's just what a better place to get ideas from and bounce ideas off other people, and you just learn so much from so many people. They are so important. They are amazing. I love it, as you can tell.
It's going really well. I just got off the Axminster stand showing how to make veneer mosaics, which I'm a big fan of. Hopefully I've inspired a lot of people. Tomorrow I'm doing the same in the morning. And I was just came from, for this, the main stage where I was talking with Bob from I Like to Make Stuff, Peter Brown and Alexandra Bennett. We had a great chat, it was a Q&A with the audience. And after this I'm going to walk around the show, and actually, because I haven't actually walked around a lot, so I'm excited to see all the stands.
How does Maker Central compare to other shows that you've been to?
Well, there aren't many maker shows really, I guess, since 2019. The last one was actually Maker Central. So I've been to a few maker fairs out, like Hanover Maker Fair, but I don't think that's running either. So it's the only one in the world at the moment, as far as I understand it. But yeah, it's getting bigger every year. So yeah, pretty good.
Community is so important, and especially like we have these all the time in the States, but I believe this is the only event in Europe, so I think that this is amazing to bring. In the States you get pretty much only the US, but over here you get from so many different countries, so it's quite amazing.
How have you enjoyed your show so far?
Yeah, good. I actually lost my voice last night because I was talking all of yesterday and everything. I'm meant to be doing demos on these knives and stuff, which take about 5 minutes to turn. I got 8 done yesterday because I was just blabbering the entire time. But it's been great meeting people, old faces, new faces, and people putting faces to names as well. So that's really cool. Enjoyed it.
A lot of chats with some really big kind of influencers here today, and they are saying that there's not a show like this. There's shows, but not like this one that does just everything. You know, we're so diverse in what we're doing here, and I had a chat with a lot of people, a lot of families, and they're coming up to me saying, Nick, you know, normally like my husband will be coming to this and I'll be sat at home, and the kids will be sat at home and like, yeah, you go off to this, but this show, I can come to this show. I can bring the kids to this show, and that just makes us like glow up inside. You know, we just get tingles. We think this is just great because you can bring the kids. You know, and that's what it's about. I'm all about trying to get the young kids into making stuff, and that's what I brought this together for. And I think we're achieving that, definitely, 100%.